How to book up travellers if you're a host on Working Traveller. First video shows you how to create your profile. In this video we're going to show you how to book up travellers with the skills you need that are coming to your country. So we assume you've already created your profile and you've created your first work post. If you haven't, go and watch that video. So log into your profile and this is what you should see. Not a lot. So we just check here, work posts, and we see that we have created a work post that needs someone to make beds in Thailand. You can do two things. You can either wait for travellers to search your profile and to request work from you, or you can be proactive. You've spent the time creating your profile now. Very easy to contact hundreds of travellers and ask them to come to your place to do the work that you need. And how do we do this? We do this. Click Find Travellers. This is the work search part of Working Traveller. This is the database with everyone's profile, and it's really quite simple once you know how. So type in the skills, carpentry, type in the skills that you're looking for and your country. So you're looking for who has the skills that you're looking for who are coming to your country. So that's carpentry in Thailand. So there's 7 carpenters coming. Why don't you just contact them all? It's so simple. So the first one here, oh look, it's the dummy profile that I created earlier. You can get an overview of the person, you can see how many references they have. Check out their profile. You can see all about them. You can read their references. References are so important because obviously, you want to book people who have references. It works the other way around. Travellers want to stay at hosts who have references. So you check this person out and you think, yeah, you want to request them to work for you. So click the Request to Work for You button. You only have one work post on this profile, but normally you would have, say, 5 or 6 different work opportunities. You click the one that you want to send to them and press Select Worst Posting. Now, you think, great, I just want to contact the host, contact the traveller and let them know. You have posted this work to be for any time. It's not a good idea to let travellers know that they can come and stay with you at any time, because they'll come and stay at any time. You need to set the dates that you're looking to have them come and stay. You can change these dates. It's just an agreement between the two of you, but to contact them you need to set some dates. It's a good idea to be organised and set the dates. You can also change the specific work needs to that person. So if your standard template says I need 20 beds building and this carpenter also plays the guitar, you can say I want you to build beds and play the guitar for me in the evening, and that doesn't change the main posting. So you've set what you want the person to do, you've set the dates, you now contact them. So all the information about you, about the work is being sent. You don't need to type that. So you can contact hundreds of hosts and all you need to basically say is, hi, are you interested in working for me? And press send message. That goes to their profile and is sent to them on the email address that they gave when they signed up. So they should get that message pretty much straight away. They can contact you and you will get messages through this chat forum. Please do not go off and start talking to them in Facebook and then in 6 months time contact Working Traveller and say, oh, we had a problem with this traveller, they promised, they agreed to do this. If you don't keep a record of what is spoken, of what is agreed, we can't help you. If you keep all your communication in here, you get email notifications every time. All you have to do is click the link, talk to them in the chat, and you keep a record of everything you agreed, it makes it so much better later on if you have any problems. So basically, you can contact hundreds of travelers and maybe several will reply. You will get an email notifying you that a traveler has accepted your offer. You log in and you click on accepted. You can see the work post. They might have requested some other things. You can still change exactly what they're going to do for you. This is just a contract between the two of you, so it can be as simple or as complicated as you want. Remember, this is different from just having normal helpers come along. You're getting someone to come along to do something very specific for you. It's good to write down exactly what they're going to be doing for you and what you'll be giving them. Get that all correct. Once you press the confirm work placement, you cannot change it, because that safeguards them. They don't want to agree to work 5 hours a day. You confirm it and then you change it to 10 hours. So you click confirm, and that's it. The person is now on their way. They know when they're coming. They know what they'll be doing. All your details for your address has just been sent to them, and that's it.